Hello dear, the words and welcome to our accounting smart class. My name is Abdul Ghani Fuad, the co-founder, CAO of Masters Academy. Welcome to a new lecture in this distinguished course, Artificial Intelligence in Logistics, Planning Warehouse Management. Hi dear Odooers, today we'll learn how to supervise the flow of products inside. We'll use push and pull rules to define the routes products we'll follow. Here is our warehouse plan at Stealthy Wood Trucks bring product from our vendors and unload pallets at our operators scan their products. In the sum of these products are sent to our others are stored in their respective. Then we have the order fulfillment route. In the morning we pick items for all the orders we'll prepare. During the day we pick these items from their storage locations and move them to the picking, which is close to where we pack the orders. Then we prepare orders by packing each one in their respective boxes. A conveyor brings these boxes close to the shipping docks, ready to be delivered. With pull rules, a demand for some while, push rules are triggered by products arriving in a specific location. So let's look at how we use pull rules to fulfill the sales order. Odoo generates at the customer location for each pull rules are triggered by a need as Odoo searches for a pull rule defined on it, finds the delivery order pull rule defined on it, finds the delivery order pull rule. From the shipping area to the customer, then Odoo looks for another pull rule to fulfill the shipping area's needs. And it finds the packing rule that transfers products from the packing area as we continue the process to fulfill. The picking rule proposes to transfer products from our stock to the picking. All of these documents are pre-generated and wait to be processed in the future. Later on, the operator will process these transfers in the opposite order. First, the picking, then the packing. Then a set of rules like this is called the pick, pack, ship route. The grouping on products will be grouped in the same. The picking operation will group all, whereas the packing operation respects the grouping per customer order if your picking rule is set to propagate. The need it can trigger other pull rules. That's what the route replenish on order. Manufacturing order to fulfill the need, depending on the route that's checked on push rules, are much easier to understand. Instead of pre-generating documents, they are triggered live when products. Push rules say when a product arrives that move them to another location. An example. Products in the receipt area then move as different rules can be applied to different products you can assign. Different storage locations, different another rule could be when I receive they move to a quality control area then. Once the quality check is complete, they move to their storage location push. Rules can only be triggered if no pull rules were pre-generated before the upstream transfers. So let's have a look at both of these strategies together and best suits.